Come stop your crying, it will be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry.
Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain.